Hey friends, if you wish to fix error code 0xc000000e on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is to repair the boot configuration drive, and we have some commands for you. Simply copy these commands and search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Click on Run as Administrator in the right pane and paste these commands. It may or may not work depending upon the type of drive you have on your system. The next solution is to reset Windows. So yes, it is a very serious error. That's why we will consider resetting Windows. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, scroll down and select recovery, select reset PC, remove everything, and then finally select the option for cloud download. The last solution is obviously to call a hardware technician who will check the connections. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.